fam, so you guys already know what it is, but just in case you guys do not know and you happen to stumble across this lovely channel, you guys, you have tuned into Keeping Up with the Coopers. So before I get started into this vlog, if you're a new subscriber and you happen to stumble across this lovely channel, let me go ahead and formally welcome you to the channel and say welcome, you guys. Welcome to me and my family's channel. You guys, we do a lot of DIYs, a lot of vlogs, and a lot of home updates and decor videos, you guys, coming soon. Yeah, welcome to the channel, you guys. Go ahead and do me and the family a quick favor and subscribe, why don't you? But yeah, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Where we left off at, you guys, on the last video was me updating the bathroom, putting a new paint on it, because Lord knows the bathroom definitely it needed the coat of paint. It really needed it, you guys. And I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, what a coat of paint can do to just one room, it does wonders, because it looks like a whole new bathroom, you guys. And that was only part one, you guys. That was only part one. We're only literally dipping our pinky toe into it. We're not even all the way done with the bathroom updates and stuff like that, you guys. We still got not a lot to do, but you know, a little bit to do, you know what I'm saying, to get it to where I wanted to get it looking like, you know. So we already painted the bathroom. That was part one, you guys. So you guys, guess what part two is? Go ahead and guess that for me real quick. Okay, I'm gonna guess it for you guys. Part two, you guys, is gonna be me updating the cabinetry, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the cabinets, you guys, today. The color that I'm going with is like a really dark gray, you guys. I actually got it, say it with me, you guys should know, Bear. No, this video is not sponsored, by the way. I just like the way that their paint applies and stuff like that. The color I believe that I'm going with, you guys, is called Dover Gray. It's like a dark gray, and I'm really praying that it looks good in the bathroom. I'm praying that I honestly did not go too dark. I didn't want to go too light, but I sort of wanted to go like in the middle and stuff like that. So fingers crossed, you guys, that it turns out good. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started into this video, you guys. Like I said, let's get started. Bye. Okay, you guys, so these are going to be the cabinets that we're going to be doing today. These are actually the builder grade cabinets that come with the house. I believe these are not new at all, you guys, but yeah, it did come with the house, but it's that oak color that I was telling you guys about. Yeah, I'm ready to just be out with the old, in with the new, you guys. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape the bad boys off, because I already painted those walls, you guys, so we don't want any paint to get on there at all. So I'm going to go ahead and prep the area, and yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get started, you guys. So yeah, these are the cabinets before, and pray for me that the after comes out good. All right, you guys, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm sorry if my big head is in the way, but as you guys see, I'm just taping off my wall. Now what I'm doing is I'm trying to remove the hardware that's on here. And also, y'all, shout out to me, because I didn't know what type of tool it was to remove this, but I looked underneath it with a flashlight, and yeah, I was able to find it. So yes, skills. Making sure that I prep my area, I'm gonna sand down the whole drawer. Not the drawer, you guys get it, the whole cabinet. Remove the hardware. And if you guys see the inside of the cabinet, I'm actually going to keep everything inside. Like I said, this shouldn't be a messy job, so that's why you guys see that. There's no need for me to clean the inside of the cabinets out. And I'm just going to continue to sand. My daughter wanted to help so bad, y'all. She's literally always by me, y'all. She wants to help. She's very involved. Very, very involved. My little diva. Alright, so now what you guys see me doing is I'm applying my primer, you guys. I'm actually going to apply this 2 times, but this is going to be the first coat, of course. Keep in mind, y'all, the primer does not have to look pretty. Okay, the primer is going to look dry. Alright, you guys, so this is going to be the second coat of primer. If you guys hear my son in the background, that's because he is playing Fortnite like always, you guys. But yeah, I didn't remove any of the stuff on the inside because, like I said, this is going to be like too much of a messy job and stuff like that. This is the second coat of the primer, you guys. Like I said, the primer does not have to be perfect, but it's on there. So that way the paint can adhere to the primer. I made a huge mistake when I was doing my kitchen cabinets, you guys, and I did not put any primer on it, and I did not sand it down because I was being lazy. And I regret it now because now I have to redo the whole thing. But yeah, onto this though. Onto this now, you guys. You got 2 coats of primer. Hit the back. I'm going to wait for that to dry for a couple of hours, you guys, and I'm going to get back to it. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the process. So yeah, there we go. Okay, y'all, so now for the fun part, I finally get to apply the color, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous because the consistency of this paint was so watery, and I was like, hold up, did she mix my thing wrong? But then it came out perfect, so I love it. And at first I honestly thought the color was gonna be too dark, but the color is so perfect. I'm so glad that we chose and we decided to go with this color. Okay, you guys, so please do not mind the stuff underneath the cabinet. Like I told you guys, there's no need for me to remove any of that, but this is what the cabinets are looking like after 2 coats of paint, you guys. It looks really, 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 really good so far. I'm sorry if you guys hear any yelling in the background. That's my son playing Fortnite again, so yeah. But this is what it looks like, you guys. It looks so, 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 so good. Of course, I got everything taped off, so whenever I pull it off, hopefully it's a nice crisp lime. But everything looks good. I'm liking the color so far. I can't wait to put on the doors, you guys. And yeah, as you guys can see, it is, can y'all see that? It is 2:17 in the morning. So yeah, I'm gonna go relax and I'm gonna go get some rest. And I'm just gonna start back on this in the morning, guys, because I am tired. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far, y'all. So yay! Alright you guys, so this is the first coat that's going on the doors. Of course you guys see I have a little bit of imperfections right there, but I'll get that done with the second coat. First coat does not have to be the greatest, okay? And y'all, I'm still using the same cardboards that I've had for the last dozen projects, the last dozen. It looks so good. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Bam! Bam! Alright you guys, so these are the completed cabinets and my vanity, you guys. I'm so happy right now, y'all. I'm so geeked. It looks so amazing. Literally, this project cost me under $50, y'all. Under 50, and it looks like brand new vanity, you guys. Like I just got this from out of Home Depot or Lowe's, you know what I'm saying? So I hope that you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys like, you know, the hardware, you guys are liking the colors and stuff like that, please make sure that you guys thumbs up the video. It really helps my channel, you guys. But yeah, this is the cabinets. I'm so excited to bring you guys in closer. I decided to go with the nickel hardware, you guys. I love it. Look at that. Y'all, this is by far the best paint job that I've done so far. This really makes me want to go ahead and restart some other projects that I did before that I rushed. But yeah, y'all, it's really sexy. It's sexy. And I'm so happy that I did this project, y'all. So happy. Yeah, that is going to be it for this vlog, you guys. Make sure that you like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell, and I hope you guys all enjoyed it as much as I did. I still got more updates to do, you guys, but yeah,